Hey, it's Thomas DeLauer with Cauliflower Foods, and today I'm breaking down the ketogenic diet and your gut bacteria and how it actually affects fat loss. Yeah, believe it or not, the type of gut bacteria that you have that grows from the ketogenic diet can actually help you burn more fat. Let me break it down like this. We have a couple different classifications of gut bacteria in our bodies. The main ones I want to focus on are Firmicutes and Bacteroidetes. I know they're big, complex words, but basically all it means is the specific types of bacteria. You see, just like humans and just like animals, there's different breeds, right? So the same thing kind of happens with our gut bacteria. Now, the one thing that's interesting, though, is that some gut bacteria are associated with fat gain, and some gut bacteria are associated with leaner people and more fat loss. For example, there was a study that took a look at twins, where one twin was obese and one twin was lean. Well, what they found was that the obese twin had high levels of Firmicutes bacteria, whereas the lean twin ended up having high levels of Bacteroidetes bacteria. So here's what's really fascinating, though, is the Bacteroidetes bacteria that's associated with lean people feeds on fats, whereas the Firmicutes bacteria that's associated with overweight or obese people feeds on starches and sugar. So it proves that the ketogenic diet could be very, very powerful when it comes down to supporting the right kind of bacteria that allows us to burn more fat. It's not just a correlation equals causation thing. There's some true science that proves that the Bacteroidetes fat-based bacteria ends up inducing something known as fasting-induced adipose factor, meaning it's a specific process in the body that encourages the body to burn more fat. So the one big problem that we face, however, is that we can't just start eating a bunch of fats and hope that that bacteria is going to change within our bodies. We need the right kind of prebiotic fibers along with it. And that's exactly where the cauliflower crusts come in. And this is exactly why I get behind them when it comes down to the science. Because they have the right amount of fats, but they also have the cauliflower in there to make it so that you get the prebiotic environment that you need to grow bacteria. So think of it like this. You've got the fat that's actually adding the environment and adding the actual food for the bacteria, and then you have the fibers coming from the cauliflower to actually create the right ecosystem and give the fertilizer to grow that bacteria even more. It's the perfect combination of fats and prebiotic fibers in a delicious pizza crust. So not only are you getting the amazing taste, you're getting true, legitimate scientific backing to help improve your gut bacteria to become a leaner, healthier you. So as always, make sure you're keeping it locked in here with Cauliflower Foods. I love doing these videos for you, and if you have ideas for future videos, put them down in the comment section below. See you soon.